Welcome to Part 140 of Daily English. Today's topic: Listening and Speaking Listening Review. Let's review what you've learned in Unit 14. Listen carefully. Example: Listen carefully before you answer. Repeat after me. Example: Repeat after me one sentence at a time. Speak at the same time. Example: Speak at the same time as the speaker. Listen for the main idea. Example: Listen for the main idea, not every word. Listen for keywords. Example: Listen for keywords to understand the topic. Speak naturally. Example: Speak naturally with confidence. Think in English. Example: Think in English while speaking. Keep the conversation going. Example: Keep the conversation going by asking questions. Practice every day. Example: Practice every day to improve your listening and speaking. Mini conversation. Teacher, let's review everything we've learned. Student, I'll listen carefully and repeat after you. Teacher, great. Remember to think in English and speak naturally. Student, I'll keep the conversation going and practice every day. Teacher, excellent. You're becoming a confident English speaker. Daily tip. Congratulations on completing Unit 14. Good listening and speaking skills come from consistent practice. Listen to English every day, speak as often as possible, don't be afraid of mistakes, and enjoy the learning process. Small improvements every day lead to big results over time. Speaking challenge. Review everything you've learned in Unit 14. Listen to a short English conversation, repeat it, practice shadowing, summarize the main idea, and then have a 2-minute conversation about the topic. Record yourself and compare your progress with your first recordings. Congratulations on finishing Unit 14. You've completed 140 daily English lessons. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.